Change anyone or anything at any time. You have no limits power. Everyone, everything is you pushed out. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach, and today we are soaring high like a big beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. And that's exactly what this channel is about, your dreams and your goals. We are extremely humble and grateful that you have supported us, that you continue to support us, and that you are subscribed to our channel. So everyone is you pushed out. Here's the real truth on it. Here is my take, and I think it's going to make sense to you when it comes to manifesting exactly what you desire. So one of the most prolific writers on personal manifestation and the law of attraction was a man named Neville Goddard. And Neville wrote several books. His perhaps most famous book is Feeling is the Secret, an incredible read that you must read several times. In any event, Neville talked about everyone, the entire universe is you pushed out. Dr. Wayne Dyer referred to Neville in one of his books. I think it was No Limits or The Sky's the Limit. One of his books, he was very, very much influenced by Neville Goddard. So what does this really mean? Everyone or everything is you pushed out. Well, everyone that has been attracted into your life is a reflection of you. In other words, they are a mirror image of an aspect of you. There is only you, and everyone else in your life, everyone else that comes into your life or leaves your life is you pushed out. So the great Mahatma Gandhi, I think he expressed this best when he said, "Be the change you wish to see in the world." If you want to see it out here, if you want to change someone out here, if you want to change something out here, first you must change it in here. Be the change. So high flyers, the world, your reality, your relationships, your money, your finances, your health is you pushed out. This is about changing what is inside of you, the reality that is inside of you, because it will automatically be reflected outside of you in other people, in other places, in other things, in other situations, in every area of your life. Change anyone first by changing your vibration, by changing yourself, by switching your frequency. If this frequency on your little inner radio is only getting you this frequency will get you this. I love this phrase. I am the only being in an abyss of darkness. That comes from one of the Golden Dawn initiations. I am the only being in an abyss of darkness. So you are the light that shines in the darkness. The light comes through you. God is within you, and you are within God. If God is within you, then you are a lamp of eternal glory. You have the ability to change your reality, to change situations, to change people, to heal people, to create miracles by simply changing yourself within. Remember, everything, everyone, everybody is you pushed out. So high flyers, one of the things I want to really get across, I think this is absolutely essential, is that we are all interconnected. We come from the same cosmic seed. I had a client not too long ago, and it had been a couple years since she had heard from her ex-boyfriend. and they had an intense, passionate relationship. But she was blaming him for this. He left me. He did this. He did that. He didn't call me. He ghosted me. He did this. And I got it across to her. I got it into her mind that his actions, how he was treating her, was her pushed out. And it was like cold water on her. At first she rejected it. That can't be true. This isn't true. This isn't real. But once she accepted it and she began changing her beliefs inside, which included an awful lot of forgiveness, once she did that, a miracle took place. Out of nowhere, 2 years later, this man is texting her and wondering how she is. This is how it happens. Oh, by the way, they're together now. They have a family. They're in love. They have a great relationship because she realized that everybody inside of her was her pushed out. She called me not long ago and she said, anytime there is a problem in our marriage, anytime there's a disagreement, I go inside and work on that. I don't try to work on him. You need to change this. You need to change that. I change it inside and he changes automatically. High flyers, I want to make this real clear. This is not about controlling someone else. This is coming to a deep understanding that people respond to us based on our vibrational energy, based on the energy that we transmit. And once we change the frequency, once we change the energy, their responses change automatically. It's amazing. What's even more exciting is that people perceive us, the way they look at us, the way they love us, the way they care about us, based on how we love ourselves. Absolutely essential. Other people, your relationships are simply you pushed out. The more you love yourself, the more the people out here that you've pushed out begin to love you back. And what's even more amazing is that we literally are co-creators of our reality. And we create and attract other types of us based on our love, based on our fears, on our doubts, and on our worries, based on our beliefs, based on everything that vibrates within us. The more you take control of your vibration within you, the more you have control of the world outside of you. So it's really about taking responsibility. Responsibility. Look at the word response-able. You are able to respond in the way that you choose to respond. You're not forced to respond any given way. People say, well, he did this to me. I was forced to respond that way. She did that to me. I was forced to respond that way. No, you are not forced to feel anything. You are not forced to respond in any given way. You are a master of your own destiny. And once you believe that, you can change it all. You can change the world around you. You can change the world within you. As within, so without. Stop seeking approval from others in your relationships. Approval must first come from you within, and then it is pushed out. And others automatically start giving you approval. Are you ready to see some quick change in your life? Are you ready to see it almost instantly? It's called the law of reciprocity. The more you give out, the more you receive back. Give what you desire to receive. It's called paying it forward. What you give to others returns to you oftentimes several fold. Some people say 7 times, 9 times. I have found that sometimes it returns 100 times or even more. It's incredible because as you are pushing out good vibrations, good energy, abundance, prosperity, love, caring, higher vibrational energies, you are receiving more of it in your life. You are literally changing anyone or anything, and you can do this anytime. High flyers, I've found that my own personal success in my own journey, and I've studied countless number of other people who have been successful in their business and in their life. People that have had incredible lifelong marriages that were happy and filled with bliss and filled with love. People that have had incredible businesses, made a pile of money. And in my own life, what I've found is my success is a result of giving, of adding value, of sharing who I really am to other people. You see, the more that you give of who you are and you add value to other people's lives, the more they return that, the law of reciprocity, and they give it back to you several fold. I can't explain it. I can't ever suggest that what I receive is equal to what I give. What I receive is 1,000-fold more than what I'm giving. But just before our video today, I was reading a letter to me, and it said, "You have changed my life. I have watched certain videos over and over and over again. And every time I start to get off the path, I have gone back to you and rewatched your videos, and my life has changed. You've changed my life forever, whether you know this or not." And that's what it's about, high flyers. It's about adding value to other people's lives. And then, of course, automatically you receive value back. That letter means more to me than almost anything you can imagine. That letter is what my life, my journey is all about. And successful people have that mindset. It's not just about money. It's about adding value, giving to other people, helping, lifting other people to their highest potential, to the highest version of who they are. That's what it's really about. And that is you pushed out at a very, very high vibrational state. So high flyers, you want to change anyone or anything at any time, then understand that the universe and the people in your life are a mere reflection of you. When you add value to their lives, you're adding value to your own life. Remember, everyone is you pushed out. I have more videos that will help you on your journey. Be sure and watch one.